Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are welcome to this class of Python. And long since so many students are asking for a compacted course on Python, instead of going the traditional classes, we will make it very compacted. So the first question comes, who can learn Python? I can say one thing, that anybody understand English who can read the keyboard, he can also learn this course Python. It's clear. So who know A to Z, who knows 0 to 9 and special characters, who can read the keyboard, he can also learn Python. So what is the background, what is the other things required? Nothing is required. If you do not know anything, it is easy for you to learn Python. Okay. So whom it is intended? It is intended for everybody, because in this world there are two type of people. One is literate, one is illiterate. So those days are also gone. So now two category of people, who are computer literate and who are computer illiterate. Especially who are computer literate, we are focusing on them. If they do not know Python, they do not know anything. So my sincere advice to all, irrespective of these branches, irrespective of your profession, irrespective of your education, learn Python. Okay. Now you can understand who are the audience. Anybody who are interested for learning some programming language, they can learn. And I promise you that it is a matter of only 30 minutes. You can learn Python perfectly. And you can learn adding the basics, the fundamental things. And this course is mainly designed as the basics. And the second part will be going for some advanced concept. And let us see that whatever the things required for this software, you require some Python. Now the Python version, the stable version is available 3.10.0. This is the stable version. It is 4th April 2021. That is 9-10 days back it is released. Anyway, you can have other stable version like 3.8 or 3.7. What is that? You can use it. There is no much difference for you. Then second question, that why Python? You know that it is first of all, it is interpreted language. Line by line it interprets and all things. You know what is the interpreted and all things. Second thing is that it is a general purpose language also, and it is a high level language. So it is very easy and user friendly, and anybody can read it, and so you will be very much comfortable learning all the things. So now let us focus on our course. So we are here for this what I needed, that I am using this Anaconda. In this Anaconda I am using this Jupyter notebook. So for some demonstrations I will be using this Jupyter notebook, and maybe in the second part we will be moving to our PyCharm. PyCharm, one of the best IDE available for this Python related programming. That also I will show you an exposure. But in this video will be for practice purpose. It is easier for us to follow this one, our Jupyter notebook. So if you have installed this Anaconda, if you have already followed my previous videos, there you will have some ideas how to install this Anaconda and Python. If you have not watched, please follow that one. So if you still need how to install all the things, again I will give you a video for that one also. I don't mind for that one. So dear students or dear viewers, so let us assume that Python is already installed, Anaconda is also there. So just type Jupyter notebook here in this type here to search. Then Jupyter notebook, it appears there. Then it will appear, sir, that is the some on title things it will come. Just to click it here and change the name. I have put the Python program. Okay. So it is my Python program, and I created a folder for that one also. So this folder I kept it in the desktop. So in the next video I'll show you where it is folder and all things also, because let us go and practice something now. So this is my Python programming in Jupyter notebook. This is how to comment something. So it is the self-explanatory part. What do you do for writing a comment? You start with the hash sign, hash, whatever things you write, it is the comment, it is not going to be executed, right? So now, so let us start our first program. Just I want to display something. For that I use the method print method. In this print method, whatever you want to put, it will be inside the braces, and you can use the single quotation, or you can use the double quotation. For example, I am writing print under single quotation hello, and the print method under double quotation hi, both it will same. So now the print hello, it will print hello. And just what I did, just after putting it here, press Ctrl and enter. I am using Windows 10, that I am using the version 3.8 also Python. Okay. So if you are using Mac or Linux operating systems, anyway similar things are there, you can use it there. So some commands will be there here and there, so that you can easily understand that one. So assuming that my viewers are watching through this Windows 10 operating system and all things, so if you need it and special help also, I am ready. I will give you some hints for that one also. So now let us that we are working on Windows 10 with Python 3.80, and I am using Anaconda, and also this version I am using that Anaconda, everything you can find it here. Then I am using the Jupyter notebook, right? So then immediately I am going for how I declare variable and how I assign value to that one. Say suppose I declare a variable x. You got it now. So by clicking here, see, if you run this want to run this program, just click it here and press Ctrl and enter. The program will run. Otherwise, just put it here, then click this run button, it will also run. Okay. So now I am declaring some variable x is equal to 30. Then I print x. Okay. So then output it will come initially 30 because it is there. So then before this printing, I write another line, x is equal to 40. First I write x and I assign the value it is equal to 30. Then I am writing variable x and I assign the value 40. Now if you want to print x, then it will give you the output is 40. Okay. Then if you want to see, because in Python there is no need to write the integer type. By default it takes, for example, I have taken x is equal to 30 or 40, these are all the integers. So if I write type x, then it is giving integer. Get it now? So or print type x also you can write it, then it will also give you the same thing, class integer, like that it will show you. Okay. That let us define some other type of things also. I am writing a variable name and I am assigning the value Gunamani. So Gunamani is my name. Then print type of name or give type of name. What is happening? Say name is equal to Gunamani. Then what type of things variable it is there? What are the value I am giving? So definitely these are the string, because this string is a collection of characters. Okay. Then if you read print type of name, then it is showing class string str. Okay. So then type name, just I am putting it here, then directly it is giving the string str string also there. Okay. So similarly the same thing I am putting in the type name, it is giving the string here. Now similarly there are other type of type will be there. For example, we can have boolean and all things. For example, so suppose something, is it new or old, like that I can say if it is new it is true. Says I putting is underscore new, that is because the how to write the variable, you know. So this is one of the method of writing. If more than one words, we can use underscore to separate them. So is new, is underscore new, which is equal to true. So this true and false, remember one thing, the T or F in true capital T and false also capital F. If you write small lowercase t and lowercase, it will give you some wrong thing. Okay. So in that case, just you because this is the true and false, the boolean things. So type of is true if you are giving, then it is giving the output is boolean, right? Then suppose I want to find the age of somebody and give him the date of birth year. Okay. So I write it the variable dob. Because this here I am going to take input from this keyboard. I want to take the input from this keyboard. For that what I have to do, I have to use this method input method. Okay. The input method. So date of birth year or year birth, whatever thing like that, date of birth which is equal to input. Then you what input, what will write you, so birth here. So what is your year of birth, that you have to put it here. Then age is equal to, so this is 2021 minus dob, but dob you can see it is taken as a string, but you are deducting it from this integer 2021, so it will not recognize, it will show you some error. So in that case what you do, you convert this string into integer. For that what is the thing you are using, int of dob, that int of the string it is converted to integer. Okay. So similarly for converting other things also, you know, for converting something to string you can put str, converting to boolean you can write bol boolean. Okay, right? Now what I did, I want to calculate the age. How do you calculate the age? Age equal to the current year 2021 minus year of birth, that I am writing, say for example I am writing 1998, right? So then print age. Then what you will do? So I am writing, it will give, when you run this program it will ask you what is the birth year, because in the input what it will ask you, birth year. So in the birth year I am putting 1998. Then what it does, it deduct it from this 2021 and so the output it is 23, right? So 23, right? So similarly, suppose I want to write multiple lines, so all the things. Okay. So you can use here, I told you that inside the print you can use single quotation, you can use double quotation, and you can use triple quotation also. Suppose you want to write multiple lines, in that case you can use just like a paragraph, you can use the three number of single quotations. Okay. So I am writing three quotation, print quotation, hi, this is Dr. Jijana, and to close this and all things. Then if you run this program, how do you run? Control enter. So the output comes, hi, this is Dr. Jijana. It's clear? Now we are working on the string now. So let us see, this is a tutorials, this is basics of Python, right? The tutorials, the variable name is tutorials and the value it is there, basics of Python. I am putting in single quotation. So suppose I want to print tutorials. If you want to print tutorials, then what it will come? It will come basics of the Python, right? You know all the things. Okay. Now suppose I want to find what is the first character, second character, or the first item, second item of this string. How do you calculate all the find all the things? So print tutorials. Suppose I want to find the first element is the 0th element. That means B will come. Okay. Similarly, print tutorials -1. -1 is the last one. The 0 is the first one. -1 is from the right hand side is the last one. That is n. It will come. Okay. Suppose I want from 0 to 3. What is the 0? 0 is B. 0 to 3 means it is excluding 3. 3 is not included. So 0, 1, 2. BS will be the output. You can see the output is also BS. Like that, you can use the string and you can use all these methods to find all the details of that one, right? Then suppose I want to the same thing I have given it here. Suppose I want to find the length of these tutorials, then you can use this method length. So for this len length of these tutorials, okay, this is will come, and suppose I want to print that one, so print length of these tutorials. So it will calculate all the things. You can start from basic B to n, and in between what are the gaps also it will calculate. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can see the answer is coming 16, right? So similarly, you can use also other methods like so I make it upper, I make it lower, and I want to find a particular letter is there or not there, or the indentation index where it is there. So that also I can find it. Suppose I want to make it upper. So you are having method like upper method. So print tutorials dot upper. So you put it there. So you see what is the writing, what is the you are writing, everything it is converted to uppercase. Similarly, print tutorials dot lower, everything is converted to lowercase. Suppose I want to print tutorials dot find. So in this method I want to find P. So where is the P? If you see it here, P is starting here. Where is that P? P. Yeah, it is P. So 1, 2, see 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then it is showing that P is the 10th index. No, okay, that is there. Okay. Then say suppose you want to find some words. For example, whether Python is there in this tutorial, whatever the tutorial sheet that I am writing, the basics of Python, right, that I am writing. So in that, whether you are having that word Python, then how do you find? So just you use the in. So print this under single quotation Python in tutorials already it is there, so it will come boolean like true. Suppose I write instead of capital P, you write small lowercase p, because this is case sensitive. So if you are writing lowercase p, it will show you false. It is not available, that one. Okay. So like that you can practice a number of things. Then we are going for this list. So here you know the list is there, and we can have a number of elements in this list. So for example, I am going for the various branches attached to computer science department, CSE engineering department. Okay. So I am having AIML, I am having CAD, and I am having CSE in the UBC engineering college, right? So I create a list, branch under single quotation AIML. You see all the items are separated by comma and there in the single quotation. So AIML, comma, CAD, comma, CSE. So print branch. If you go for the print branch, then what it is printing? So it is printing AIML, CAD, CSE, like that. Suppose I want to print the first branch, then print branch. So you use this square braces and try to buy the first element, it is 0, then it will come and show you AIML. Suppose it is -1, that means from the last the first element it will try to find out, that is also it is coming print branch -1, it is coming CSE. So in this way you will be able to do all things. Then we can go for the various operators here. So we can have a number of operators like the arithmetic operators and other operators. Let us study in this class regarding the arithmetic operators. In the arithmetic operators, you are having operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and two way of writing the division is there. That is the forward slash, and two type forward slash it is there also. Okay, let us practice all the things. So I am going for two numbers 30 and 20. So print 30 plus 20. So this is the addition operator. Okay, in the arithmetic the addition operator. So 30 plus 20 output you are getting 50. So similarly print 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20 it is coming 10. Similarly print 30 into 20. So it is coming 600. So if you are using print 30 divided by 10, so output is coming 3.0. You see, just like a floating point it is coming. But if you same thing you want to print 30 division 10, it is coming just round figure 3. So in this way also you can do like this. Then you are having the modulus operator. Modulus operator, you know, it will be divided, and what is the remainder, that only you will write. So 31 divided by 2, 2 15 is 30, remainder is 1, the remainder it is writing it 1, right? So similarly exponential functions, print 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power means 5 to the power 2 is equal to 25, 5 to the power 3 is 25 into 5, 125, 125 into 5 it is 625. So it is 5 to the power exponential function. Okay. Similarly, we can go for other things like here also we can going for different thing. We call it as the augmented assignment operator. Augmented assignment operator. What is this augmented? Suppose I declare a variable x and assign it value 5. X is equal to 5. So suppose x is equal to x plus 2. That means after 2 increment it will go and it will write the next. So then what would write? So x is equal to 5, x is equal to x plus 2. Then print x. Then what is the thing? Then it will output, it will be 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Similarly, x is equal to x minus 2. So 5 minus 2 it will be 3. X is equal to x into 2. So then like that you can go for. That is another way of writing like that one also. So you can write x, you know all the things, this how to write all the things. X plus equal to 2. You can write x plus equal to 2. That means x is equal to x plus 2. Same thing. So similarly x minus equal to 2. You can write. So x multiplication equal to x division equal to, all the things we can write here. Then we are having some operator precedences. So what is the priority of these operators? Let us see. We know that suppose I am going for a expression like x is equal to 5 plus 4 into 6. So what will the output? Just you guess it here. So will it be 5 plus 4, 9 into 6, 54? No, it will not be there, because there is some precedence, there is some priority of these operators. So here if you see, we have the rule. I think all people will be acquainted with the BODMAS. So is the bracket okay, all the things there. But here we can see it here. Here out of this plus and multiplication, the priority is multiplication. Okay. So then it will calculate, it simplify like this. 4 into 6 it is 24. 24 5 is equal to 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. So output it has come in 9. Right. Similarly, when braces is there, even if multiplication division is there, it is not going to make it 4 divided by 2 first. So it will try to finish this braces. It will try to expand. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 13 into 4 it is 52. 52 divided by 2 it is equal to 26. Print y, it is coming 26, right? So order of the precedence is like that. When braces are there, that is the first priority. Then exponential is the second priority. Multiply and division, they are the third priority. And addition, subtract, the fourth priority. So these are the priority, or we call it the order of precedences. Okay, you can practice all the things. Then you can go for some math functions. So math function, these are the inbuilt functions here. So if you suppose I am writing a variable x and assign the value is 12.76. Okay, x is equal to 12.76. So suppose I go for the round operator. That means round operator means what? So it will convert to the next number. So 12.76, it may be 12.1 also. It will convert to the next round number. So that is 13. So if you want to go to absolute, absolute means irrespective of the sign convention, it will take the positive value of that one. Okay. So absolute of minus 24.67, it is coming 24.67. Okay. That is another way to do all the things. Also you can go for this importing the math module. So import math and print. Then in that case, what I have to do? Print math dot ceiling. Suppose I want to make it ceiling. Ceiling is just like the same thing that we are going for this round. Okay. So 12.45 will be converted to 13. So if you want to make it floor, so in that case what it will do? It will go to the previous round number, that is 12. Okay. So in this way you can do a number of things. I think we have covered some of the basic things here, and thank you for watching this video also. And if you really like this video, please do share with your friends, and if you and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay. Thank you once again. Take care of your health. Bye. And immediately we will be going for the second part of this video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.